Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Discord profile link step by step. This is useful if you want other people to quickly find your Discord account without searching manually. Whether you're sharing your profile with friends, gaming communities, clients, or team members, creating your Discord profile link only takes a few minutes once you know where to find your user ID. So let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where your username and profile picture are displayed. Now, click on your username area. In some cases, you may immediately see an option called Copy User ID. If you already see Copy User ID, simply click it to copy your Discord user identification number. However, if you don't see Copy User ID, don't worry, because you just need to enable developer mode first. To do that, click on the gear icon near your username to open User Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Now, click on Advanced and look for the option called Developer Mode. Turn Developer Mode on by clicking the toggle button. Once developer mode is enabled, go back to your username in the bottom left corner and click on it again. This time, you should now see the Copy User ID option available. Click Copy User ID to copy your unique Discord identification number. Now, open any text editor, browser tab, Notes app, or message box where you can paste text. Next, type the following Discord profile link format. Paste the user ID you just copied. Your completed link will now point directly to your Discord profile. You can then copy the entire link and send it to anyone you want. When people open the link, they'll be able to view your Discord profile and connect with you more easily. This method is especially useful for content creators, online communities, gaming groups, freelancers, or anyone who regularly shares their Discord account online. Another important tip is to double-check your copied link before sharing it publicly. Make sure the user ID is pasted correctly, because even one incorrect number can break the link. You should also be careful when sharing your Discord profile in public spaces. Only share it in trusted communities or with people you feel comfortable communicating with. If you ever want to stop sharing the link, you can simply delete the message or remove it from wherever you posted it. One more helpful thing to know is that developer mode does not harm your Discord account. It simply unlocks extra technical options like user IDs, server IDs, and channel IDs that are normally hidden, so even beginners can safely enable it whenever needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Discord tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.